Hi, in this video we will discuss about the embedding Power BI reports in web application. First, what's the issue we are facing while embedding our reports that when we embed Power BI report in iframe, we have iframe application, then application will refuse to connect because of their security reasons. So the a recommended solution is this that we cannot embed Power BI direct link in iframe. First, we need to create a Power BI iframe link or code on web while clicking on the file. Third step is this that under the file embedded reports option, here you can first publish to the web. After clicking on the publish of the web, then a URL or a link will be generate which can be embedded in your Power BI report in the web. Thank you.